I'm Ava, and welcome to Korean Ladder, where family words finally get organized.
안녕하세요, 하나입니다. 오늘은 친가와 외가의 이모, 고모, 삼촌을 정리해 볼게요.
안녕하세요. 준호입니다. 헷갈리는 가족 호칭을 차분히 연결해 보겠습니다.
My Korean friend said, 고모, 이모, 삼촌, 외삼촌 in one story, and I completely lost the family tree. In English, I just say aunt or uncle. But Korean often asks, mother's side or father's side.
맞아요. Korean family words often tell you the side of the family. 친가는 father's side and 외가는 mother's side.
오늘의 핵심은 네 단어예요. 삼촌, 외삼촌, 이모, 고모. We sort them by side and gender.
먼저 삼촌이에요. In this map, 삼촌 points to your father's male sibling, especially a younger uncle in many family contexts.
삼촌이 왔어요. Here, he marks 삼촌 as the subject. The uncle came.
어머니의 남자 형제는 외삼촌이에요. 외 means the mother's side in many family words.
So, 외삼촌 is my mom's brother, not just a random uncle from outside.
맞아요. 외삼촌은 어머니의 남자 형제예요. In English, your maternal uncle.
여기서 주의할 점이 있어요. 외이모라고 하지 않아요. Mother's sister is simply 이모.
이모는 어머니의 여자 형제예요. In English, your aunt on your mother's side.
Okay, mom's sister is 이모. Mom's brother is 외삼촌. That pair is the mother's side.
아버지의 여자 형제는 고모예요. In English, your aunt on your father's side.
고모는 아버지의 여자 형제예요. The side is father's side. So not 이모.
So father's sister is 고모, and father's brother can be 삼촌. In this basic map, that pair is the father's side.
좋아요. Now let's make the four-word map.
If the sibling is female, choose 이모 for mother's side and 고모 for father's side.
If the sibling is male, choose 외삼촌 for mother's side and 삼촌 for father's side in this beginner-friendly family map.
Let me reason it out. My mom's brother visited. I should say, 외삼촌이 왔어요.
맞습니다. 외삼촌이 왔어요. Because he is your mother's brother.
이번에는 실제 대화를 들어보세요. Listen for which side of the family each word points to. 이번 주말에 이모 집에 가요.
어머니 동생분이세요?
네, 어머니 여동생이에요. 그리고 다음 주에는 고모도 만나요.
아버지의 여자 형제니까 고모군요.
I heard 이모 with 어머니 and 고모 with 아버지. The words carry the side.
맞아요. Korean avoids a lot of ambiguity by using different family words.
이제 따라 말해볼게요. First, 이모. Short and smooth, 이모.
이모.
좋아요. Next, 고모. The first syllable is 고, not 코.
고모.
좋습니다. Now 삼촌. The final sound in 삼 is a closed 미음 sound. Then 촌 starts clearly.
삼촌.
마지막으로 외삼촌. 외 is one syllable. 외삼촌.
외삼촌.
완벽해요. Now let's catch a common mistake. Using 이모 for every aunt and 삼촌 for every uncle.
If my dad's sister is coming, can I say 이모가 와요 because she is an aunt?
그때는 고모가 와요 라고 해야 자연스러워요. Dad's sister is 고모, not 이모.
Another mistake is confusing blood relatives with in-laws. 이모 is your mother's sister. 이모부 is her husband.
고모 is your father's sister. 고모부 is her husband. The 부 part shows he is connected by marriage.
외삼촌 is your mother's brother. His wife is 외숙모. That is also an in-law term.
So if I mean my mom's brother's wife, I should not call her 요삼촌. I need 요숙모.
맞아요. Blood relationship and marriage relationship are separate in Korean family words.
퀴즈입니다. Your mother says, 내 남동생이 온다. You want to tell a friend, blank is coming. Which word is most natural?
I'm choosing B. 요삼촌이 와요. Because it is my mom's brother.
정답은 B예요. 외삼촌이 와요. Mother's male sibling is 외삼촌. 이모 is mother's female sibling. And 고모 is father's female sibling.
One more quick check. Your father's sister's husband is coming. Which title is correct?
That is a husband connected by marriage, so B. 고모부가 와요.
정답은 B입니다. 고모부가 와요. 고모 is your father's sister and 고모부 is her husband.
정리해 볼게요. 첫째, 친가는 아버지 쪽, 외가는 어머니 쪽이에요. In English, 친가 is father's side and 외가 is mother's side.
둘째, 이모는 어머니의 여자 형제이고 고모는 아버지의 여자 형제입니다. In English, use 이모 for your mother's sister and 고모 for your father's sister.
셋째, 외삼촌은 어머니의 남자 형제이고 삼촌은 아버지의 남자 형제예요. In English, 외삼촌 is maternal uncle and 삼촌 is paternal uncle in this family map.
넷째, 배우자는 다른 호칭을 써요. In English, the spouse gets a different in-law title, 이모부, 고모부, or 외숙모.
My keeper sentence is 요삼촌은 어머니의 남자 형제예요. If I remember that, the family pattern starts to click.
오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. 외삼촌은 어머니의 남자 형제예요. That one sentence anchors the mother's side uncle.
다음 시간에는 사촌과 친가, 외가 표현을 더 연결해 보겠습니다. 함께 해주셔서 감사합니다.